Antarctica, a frozen desert at the bottom of the world, known for keeping its secrets buried beneath miles of ice. But in 2016, an experiment called ANITA, the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, picked up something strange: high-energy neutrinos moving upward from Antarctica's surface. This defied all expectations, as neutrinos typically come from space, not from deep within Earth. ANITA itself is a fascinating piece of technology. Suspended from a balloon 23 miles above the Antarctic surface, it detects radio waves that neutrinos emit when they strike particles in the ice. Scientists use this setup because Antarctica's clear, stable ice is ideal for tracking neutrinos with minimal interference from other signals. These high-energy particles, also called ghost particles, are rare and usually pass through matter unnoticed. But detecting them moving upward suggests they encountered something unusual within Earth, sparking a debate among scientists and a wave of theories. To understand why these neutrinos are so puzzling, let's dive into what makes them unique. Neutrinos are elementary particles with no charge and almost no mass, often called ghost particles because they rarely interact with matter. They're created in nuclear reactions, from supernova explosions, the sun, and even human-made reactors. Every second, trillions of neutrinos pass through each of us, completely undetected. While most neutrinos originate from the sun, ANITA detected high-energy neutrinos, which are far rarer and only form in cosmic events like gamma-ray bursts or black hole collisions. These neutrinos can travel immense distances, crossing the universe almost undisturbed. But high-energy neutrinos, the kind ANITA detected, are special because they shouldn't be able to pass through Earth's dense layers without interacting. The detection of upward-moving neutrinos was like watching a bullet move back into a gun, an impossible event that demanded an explanation. In fact, this anomaly was so significant that it led to several scientific papers, each proposing different explanations but unable to reach a consensus. So, what could explain this phenomenon? Physicists have offered a few fascinating theories to explain these ghost particles' strange behavior. One idea is that the neutrinos interacted with dark matter within Earth. Dark matter is an invisible substance that doesn't emit or absorb light, making it incredibly difficult to study directly. While we know it makes up about 27% of the universe, we can't see it or measure it directly, but it's believed to have gravitational effects on galaxies. If dark matter does exist within Earth, it might cause high-energy particles like neutrinos to rebound in unexpected ways. Another theory points to supersymmetry, which proposes that every known particle has a heavier superpartner particle. Supersymmetry could bridge the gap between quantum mechanics and general relativity, which govern the microscopic and cosmic scales of the universe. If neutrinos have a superpartner, it could explain why they behave so strangely. In this scenario, the neutrinos detected could be superparticles from an alternate universe intersecting with ours. The most mind-bending possibility is that these neutrinos traveled through a dimensional rift in Antarctica, allowing particles to cross over from another dimension. While scientists approach these theories with caution, the anomalies detected by ANITA have captured their imaginations and left many open questions. Other speculative theories have surfaced as well, like unknown particles or forces that are still unclassified by modern science, hinting that there may be even more discoveries waiting to be uncovered. Antarctica's enigmatic nature goes beyond the scientific findings of ANITA. For centuries, people have speculated about what lies beneath its ice. Ancient maps, like the Piri Reis map from 1513, depict parts of Antarctica's coastline long before it was officially discovered. The Piri Reis map is famous for its accuracy in depicting the South American and African coastlines, even though it was created before modern tools and surveys. Some researchers believe that ancient civilizations might have explored Antarctica when it was ice-free, over 10,000 years ago. Using modern technology, scientists have discovered enormous mountain ranges, river systems, and even lakes buried beneath miles of ice. Lake Vostok, for instance, is a freshwater lake buried under 2 miles of ice, untouched for over 20 million years. Its isolated ecosystem may contain microbial life forms that have evolved completely independently of the rest of the planet. In 1946, the US launched Operation High Jump, sending thousands of troops to Antarctica. Officially, the mission was to establish a research base, but conspiracy theories claim it involved encounters with unidentified flying objects or secret technologies. Admiral Richard Byrd, who led the mission, reported seeing strange lights and metallic objects, sparking rumors about what was really happening in Antarctica. Even during World War II, rumors suggested Nazi forces established hidden bases in Antarctica, with claims of UFO sightings and alien technology beneath the ice. While no hard evidence supports this, these stories have persisted in popular imagination and inspired speculation about what might still be hidden on the frozen continent. With ANITA's findings and Antarctica's storied mysteries, here's a thought-provoking theory. What if the ghost particles detected by ANITA indicate a dimensional gateway buried beneath Antarctica? Some scientists theorize that dimensional rifts might exist where cosmic energies are particularly strong, or where unique geological formations create thin spots between dimensions. It's believed by some that these spots might align with ancient sites around the world, like Stonehenge or the Bermuda Triangle. What if Antarctica is one such location, enhanced by the immense gravitational force of its massive ice cap and geographic isolation? This hypothetical portal could explain not only the upward-moving neutrinos, but also the strange maps, hidden landforms, and secret military operations. The idea that particles, and maybe even energy or unknown materials, could pass between dimensions would open up incredible possibilities, from new technologies to ancient knowledge hidden away. If a dimensional rift exists in Antarctica, it could lead to alternate dimensions, with realms entirely different from our own. There are theories suggesting that these dimensions might contain versions of ourselves or totally alien ecosystems with laws of physics that defy our understanding. The potential for discovery is enormous. Communication with another universe, new technology, or even exploration beyond imagination. But such a discovery might also carry risks. What if something from another dimension crosses into ours? Science may not yet be able to confirm or deny this theory, but the pieces of the puzzle continue to fascinate both scientists and the public alike. Antarctica's mysteries aren't fading anytime soon. Whether these ghost particles are evidence of a dimensional rift or an unknown aspect of physics, they remind us of the vast unknowns still hidden on our planet. We may be standing on the edge of a new frontier in understanding reality. Perhaps, in the future, we'll uncover proof of a dimensional gateway or learn secrets that connect our world to others. Until then, Antarctica will keep its secrets buried in the ice, waiting for the right questions to be asked. Whatever the truth, one thing is certain: Antarctica's secrets will continue to inspire curiosity and wonder.